Ever wondered why your room gets messy so quickly but takes forever to tidy up? Ever heard of entropy and thought it's just about disorder? Well, let's take a step back and delve into this captivating concept. Entropy, in the simplest of terms, is a measure of randomness or chaos in a system. But it's not all about your messy room or the scattered puzzle pieces. It's a fundamental concept in thermodynamics, the branch of physics that deals with heat and energy flow. Now, you might have heard that entropy is equivalent to disorder. While there is some truth in that, this notion is an oversimplification and can lead to misunderstandings. Entropy, dear friends, is much more complex and intriguing than just a measure of chaos. It's also about energy distribution, the likelihood of certain events, and the direction of natural processes. So remember, entropy isn't just about disorder. It's about energy distribution, probabilities, and much more. Let's debunk the myth. Entropy isn't just chaos and disorder. It's much more nuanced than that. Entropy, in its essence, is about the distribution of energy within a system and the number of ways that energy can be arranged. It's a concept that is deeply rooted in the laws of thermodynamics. Imagine you're in a room full of balloons, each balloon representing a unit of energy. Now, if all the balloons are clustered in one corner, that's a low entropy state. But if they're spread out evenly across the room, that's a high entropy state. The energy is more dispersed, and there are more ways to arrange the balloons. So it's not about chaos or disorder, but about possibilities and probabilities. The more ways you can arrange something, the higher its entropy. It's a matter of energy distribution and the multiplicity of arrangements. So entropy is not about a system's disorder, but the number of ways energy can be arranged within it. So, entropy isn't the bad guy that brings chaos and disorder, but the player that explores all the possibilities. With this fresh perspective, we can see entropy in a new light. We've spent the last few minutes debunking the myth that entropy is merely a harbinger of chaos.